carbon fiber add-ons for your Mitsubishi. Check out those fins, man. Looks pretty cool. So you see, that's carbon fiber. Got the one on the bottom of the and we got one on the tip of the wing. There's your name of the company. And we got a tip bottom. You can see how it looks. It looks kind of dark. I guess this is just going on there somewhere. Some really good double-sided tape. So there you go. You have it on the bottom there. These cool fins up top, front. From this angle, I know some guys just might like this. So what do you think? Looks pretty damn cool. All right, guys, be cool.